Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on people development and environment for your upcoming Northeast set examination. Friends, as you all know, people and environment, this is 9th unit in your Northeast set paper 1, and here you can see the syllabus here, and from here we have completed. This is our fifth video on people and environment, and interaction. On this topic we have made one video, and the video link I will give you in the description box. This was the first video on people and environment. Then the second video is on sources of pollution. Third video is on pollutants and their impact on human life, exploitation of natural and energy resources. Then fourth video was on natural hazards and mitigation, and this is the last video on miscellaneous topic. Means here this video is on mixed topic. Okay, already we have uploaded 5 videos. All the links I will give you in the description box, and here I hope I have covered more than 100 MCQs I have covered here. So let us move to the next slide. And here friends, as you all know, we are providing you test series for your upcoming Northeast set examination. Here we are providing you 40 mock tests for paper 1. 40 means each test is having 50 questions, so you will be prepared for 2000 MCQs here. And here MCQs, it includes also answers, feedback and all the units will be covered here. Okay, then and also with this we are also providing you 1000 MCQs. On each unit we are providing you 100 MCQs. Totally you are prepared for 3000 MCQs here. I think this is enough preparation for your paper 1, and you can focus more on your paper 2. And all the 40 tests plus this 1000 MCQs, you can also download the PDF with solution. And also we are providing you notes on each unit, and complete study material is available here only at rupees 599. Friends, 599, I think it is very minimum amount. You are getting here notes, 1000 MCQs, 40 tests and all for your Northeast set examination. Friends, I assure you that if you subscribe for these 40 tests plus 1000 MCQs, and you are providing you study notes, and you will score more than 70 in paper 1. So to join for this test, you can contact to this given number. The number is displayed on your screen, and also I will give you the number in the description box. Once if you subscribe to this test, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group, where you will get the links of 40 tests, where you can download the PDF of tests and 1000 MCQs. So test links also you will give in the description box. To join this, you can contact the displayed number. So let us move to the questions. Here the question is, the number of major GHGs identified by reduced emissions as per Kyoto Protocol are option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 8. Friends, here the right answer is option C, 6 is the correct answer. Okay, 6 are the major GHGs identified by the Kyoto Protocol, and the Kyoto Protocol applies to 6 greenhouse gases. GHGs means greenhouse gases, and those 6 greenhouse gases are CO2, carbon dioxide, then CH4, methane, then N2O, nitrous oxide, then HFCs, hydrofluorocarbons, then PFCs, perfluorocarbons, then last one SF6, sulfur hexafluoride. Please remember all these 6 greenhouse gases. Then let us move to the next question. Here the match the following. List 1 is showing us sanctuary, list 2 is showing us location, means state it is showing. So option A Kaziranga National Park, option B Kelado National Park, option C Sundarbans National Park, option D Nanda Devi National Park. Okay friends, here the right answer is option A is the correct answer. Okay, A1 Kaziranga National Park, it is located in Assam. Then Kelado National Park, it is in Rajasthan. Sundarbans National Park, it is in West Bengal. And Nanda Devi National Park, it is in Uttarakhand. Okay friends, please remember this. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following results in bioaccumulation and contamination of food chains? Option A, pesticides. Option B, polychlorinated biphenyls. Option C, pan. Option D, all of the above. Here the right answer is option A, pesticides is the correct answer. Okay friends, the next question is the Tehri Dam. Okay, the Tehri Dam, it is located in option A, Gujarat. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. So the Tehri Dam, it is located in Uttarakhand. So option C is the correct answer. And if you see about Tehri Dam, it is the tallest dam in India. Please remember the Tehri Dam, it is the tallest dam in India. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth fill embankment dam. And remember one more point here, the Tehri Dam, it is built on Bhagirathi river. Okay, near Tehri in Uttarakhand. Okay, here you can see the picture of Tehri Dam also. So let us move to the next question. List 1 is list 1 with list 2. We have to match. Here ozone depletion, CO2 reduction, sustainable development, hazardous waste. Okay, list 2, Basel Convention, Kyoto Protocol, Rio Summit, Montreal Protocol. Okay, 4 options are there. Here the right answer is option A is the correct answer. Okay, ozone depletion, it is related to Montreal Protocol. Okay friends, please remember it. Ozone depletion, it is related to Montreal Protocol. Okay, next one, B2, Kyoto Protocol is related to CO2 reduction. Then sustainable development, Rio Summit is known for the sustainable development. Then Basel Convention is known for the hazardous waste. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, the next question is in which year India announced a national action plan on climate change? Option A 2008, option B 2005, option C 2003, option D 1998. Okay, NAPCC, it is announced in the year of 2008. Very easy question, I hope you all know this. And friends, the government of India formulated the national plan water, renewable energy and energy efficiency, agriculture and others bundled with additional ones into a set of 8 emissions under National Action Plan on Climate Change, and this was released on 30th June 2008. Okay, please remember the year. Let us move to the next question. India exploded her first underground nuclear device at option A Kota, option B Ranchi, option C Jaipur, option D Pokhran. Okay friends, India exploded her first underground nuclear device at Pokhran. Okay, the first underground nuclear explosion at Pokhran in Rajasthan in the year of 1974 on May 18. Which national park is situated at the highest altitude in the country? Option A Corbett National Park, option B Hemis National Park, option C Silent Valley National Park, option D Dachigam National Park. Friends, here the right answer is Hemis National Park. Option B, Hemis National Park is situated at the highest altitude in the country. Okay, Hemis National Park, it is a highest altitude national park. It is in Ladakh in India. Okay, it is globally famous for snow leopards. Please remember it. And it is the only national park in India that is north of the Himalaya. Okay, please remember this point also. It is the only national park in India in the north of the Himalaya. So let us move to the next question. Baba Amte was the leader of option A Appiko movement, option B Chipko movement, option C Narmada Bachao Andolan, option D Tehri Dam movement. Okay, here the right answer is Narmada Bachao Andolan. Baba Amte was the leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Okay, the main aim of the movement is against the large dams built or in process across the Narmada river. And Narmada river which flows through the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is the most productive agro ecosystem? Option A maize, option B wheat, option C sugarcane, option D none of the above. I hope you all know it. Sugarcane is one of the most productive agro ecosystem. The next question is, in which city was the UN Conference on Environment, also termed as Earth Summit, held in 1992? Option A Rio de Janeiro, option B Kyoto, option C Stockholm, option D Copenhagen. Okay, here the right answer is option A, Rio de Janeiro is the right answer. Okay, the UNCED, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, it is also known as the Earth Summit. Please remember, it is also known as the Earth Summit. It was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil from 3 to 14 June 1992, and this conference held on the occasion of 20th anniversary of first human environment conference in Stockholm in Sweden in 1972. Okay, let us move to the next question. A byproduct of fossil fuel combustion is carbon dioxide. Which of the following is the cleanest with respect to the release of carbon dioxide? Option A coal, option B oil, option C wood, option D natural gas. Here the right answer is option D, natural gas is the correct answer. Okay, the next question. The most efficient method of biodegradable urban solid waste management is option A landfills, option B pelletization, option C gasification, option D composting. Here the correct answer is option D, composting is the correct answer. And what is the process of composting? Here you can read it: by supplying organic materials such as water, oxygen, the already present bacteria will break down the plant material into useful compost for the garden. Okay, this is known as the process of composting. So let us move to the next question. Biodiversity is described as option A the range of different species in an environment, option B the seasonal and daily changes in an environment, option C the way species differ from one another, option D the influence of physical factors on an environment. Friends, here this question has been kept for you. You have to comment the answer in the comment box, so it is helpful to you and me to assess your preparation. And the answer for this question I will give you in the next video. And friends, one more thing, here we have uploaded 5 lectures on people and development and environment. I think here I have covered more than 100 MCQs, so all the video links I will give you in the description box. Okay friends, one more thing, once again I would like to remind you about our test series where we are providing 40 tests plus 1000 MCQs with PDF. Okay, and notes also you are providing. Complete study material will be provided to you only at rupees 599. To join for these tests you can contact to this displayed number. The number is displayed on your screen and also I will give you in the description box. Okay friends, thank you very much.